Hi all. So we are again back to our LinkedIn masterclass, and it's almost a 24th episode that we are hitting, and it's every weekly. Thanks a lot for joining. And today I'm going to decode you four key tools which I have explored, and these tools are useful to create your resume, and you can also create your cover letter. Although interesting tools, there's one tool, NCV, that talks to that gives you the some qualities of AI, but it is also a face-to-face tool. So what's the wait for? Let's start. So right now, this particular application is called Hiration. So once you register to this particular tool, either you can create a resume and use a blank template or pre-written template, and you can mention over here specific role, specific resumes. So there are templates available. Let's check out. So communication manager. Next, next. So pretty much the entire resume is filled over here. You just need to use this template and do the changes. This template is based on the ATS compliance and what all keywords are necessary. The best part is you don't need to write anything over here. It's like you just make changes and make it personalized. That's it. You can also rewrite using ChatGPT. What more you want. And then if you go back, so again create resume, upgrade your dream. Okay, not now. So resume builder, create a resume. It says subsidy as low as 83. So 83 rupees per month. It's damn cheap, man. I mean, so 83 on annual plans per month. So 83 effectively, not now. Because I've created this resume. Now the problem is it's not letting me create. Say let's try cover letter. So you have a cover letter which is a blank template with instructions. So next, started. You have blank template with instructions, just and name and miss everything is mentioned over here. Paragraph dedicated to your company. Just paste the job description over here. Let's go on LinkedIn and search for some job description. So, Two Boy Work Studios, company role. So, and now analyze. It will let it analyze the job description, and based on the job description, now we will be able to crack the resume. They're not a resume. So this cover letter, it says your cover letter has lower my score. Consider adding critical skills. So critical skills 25. So these are the critical I need to add. Select the skill to confirm. So see emerging trends. I need to add those critical skills of marketing communication. Confirm. It gets added over there. Now we need to use say ChatGPT or some other tool to rewrite this particular cover letter, where the top end will be seen as I understand on this particular page. Then we move to LinkedIn review. This is pretty interesting, but not a great tool. Let me just show you how do you use this. So let's go on LinkedIn, and then save to PDF. So PDF resume, it needs to go on LinkedIn, but it doesn't go on LinkedIn. I don't know. That's not the way it needs to do it. So sharing this up. So let me upload a file. It will analyze this resume, and basically it will analyze whatever you feed via that PDF. It's the same thing, but only in a different style. So initial LinkedIn score. So it is using, it's like a scoring tool. So you can use it to review your score. So it says it's URL find for header title, find for about. So if I score optimize URL exist tips, and then there are tips editing your customer. But except header title. Okay, about what it says is summary has length less than 200 words. Considered to be ideal range, storage 300. So I need to extend that summary. Now to dig into customer problems and summary exists. Things about it. Summary is quantified. Why? So here don't flood your summary with figures. Only include them if they are meaningful and add to contributions. Okay, pretty good experience. The experience exists. Documented Usha Praveen, agent faculty hours. Okay, teacher health. What does this green signify? Okay, it's green. Gojo education is completely updated. The skills is, I guess I'm perfect. I based on this score, I'm 89%. I need to just hit off to some particular new job. Now interview preparation. They say they don't have enough. It's only for technical roles. It says interview expectation. Uh, the ideal candidate will have experience in managing team and employees. The applicant answer interview expectation. This sample level. What is the purpose of DHO? How do you solve conflicts? I use a variety of methods to solve conflicts and try to understand the other points of view, explain my own. If that does not work, I try to compromise. If that does not work, I try to further that works for both the parties. Uh, it is not a great tool to have because this interview preparation is just for the sake of it. I mean, you are not able to earn out of it anything. Last week, the tool which I showed, it actually literally I can give an interview via the way I speak to you, and it will give me score list. So that was a pretty useful tool compared to this particular tool. Now let us go to another tool. Now this tool is Enhance CV. Enhance CV says you can find jobs. So bucket. Hmm, yeah, okay, marketing. Okay, Mumbai. So it says marketing, Viva systems, remote marketing, head of delivery, head of marketing, strategic planning, Ontario. I'm saying Mumbai, it gives me Ontario. And those, uh, I don't think they have worked enough. So Dream Sports Senior Manager, Digital Marketing, Vice President, Head of Solution Architect, Click. They have some Mumbai, then remote, and then Bangalore, and then Cadet. Smart. Maximum WBB data analyst, photos. This is not something that is great. Let's try. So this is a board. So sample jobs lead. I whatever jobs I have, I add to this particular job leads board. Then it comes to applied leads. Then it comes to interviews, and then it comes to office. This is good. It's like a Trello for say the Trello board. Now let us go to career coaching. Okay, this is a paid feature. You have to pay around $400 for professional coaching. So there's executive coaching, there's professional coaching, and there's resume writing also. It depends upon what services you want to have, but these are face to face. Okay, like LinkedIn training to boost your personal brand. It's a training 3 months Enhance CV Pro included. So they will create your resume. That's what I think. So they will create your resume, upload over here, and then you can tweak it whenever you have to share that resume. Same things happen with cover letter. In professional coaching, I guess there will be some person who will guide you for your interviews and giving you mock interviews. And in executive coaching, maybe you would have access to some senior level person who can guide you in your job. Hmm, these are resume samples. Build a resume for free. Let's try it out what it gives us. Now, new resume. Blank document. The plan has expired. You can download resumes but cannot edit them. Reactivate your plan to edit your resume. Oops. Again, plan has expired. So our free plan is expired. What I'd done was this was the cover letter part. So hiring manager, I've been cultivating. So templates, this Ivy League template, modern template. These are different templates available. And mm, yeah. This is resume. Now it has generated a resume for me. Certified Chief Marketing Officer. I can edit it. It's a ready to use template. So Chief Marketing Officer at this location, manager at this location, healer, add new section. So it solves a lot of things and you get ready to use resume. You can view this resume. It's 663.33 per month, most popular, 990 billed quarterly. So INR 2000 rupees per quarter. So ATS check you have. So paste the full job description below. Let us paste a job description again. The resume needs to be tailored, better tailored for this ad job. New suggestions. Mm, Well, this goes up. This is an interesting thing. And you have a chat GPT. Write and improve my resume. Create a tailored summary. Great, please provide me the job description for the job you are applying for. So here is the section done. Generate two suggestion I hope you like. I will also give you an idea for the tailored title under your name. That will also have recruiters portrays. So Chief Marketing Officer, Brand Strategy, Digital Marketing, Team Leadership. Create a cover letter. Let's see what it gives us. Price list provided. I have provided a GT. Go to documents to view it. So, as a seasoned chief marketing officer with a track record of driving, this is pretty great. And they have used all the keywords. Great to see mistakes. So, using ChatGPT to create resume or cover letter, this is what you can exactly use this tool for. That's it. It can enhance your and it can also leverage actually. I didn't see this earlier, but this is an interesting tool to have. Now let us shift our focus to Kick Resume. The name is interesting, so it gives you so at your dashboard you can import LinkedIn, create a new resume by importing LinkedIn profile. You have resume analysis, check your resume, and then you also have and on top of that you also have a mobile app so you can access all your resumes on the cover and the cover letters, and you have a browser extension. I actually, out of a lot of tools, I love this tool because this particular tool has more features actually. See, if you check out over here, personal information, work experience. So I just go over here, work experience. I currently work with the ad experience. I can use a AI writer to write my work experience. These are premium like skills and strengths and hobbies, achievements to learn to unlock your potential with AI, one skill at a time, upgrade. So this particular feature is again proofreading. With our these are high profile proofreaders. You can go here to design, and I can go to my this. Now again, it is this is another resume. I created multiple resumes over here. Even I am confused now which there is a use example import from LinkedIn. So import from LinkedIn. Due to third party because LinkedIn imported is limited for free users. Please upgrade or import data archive manually. So we cannot do it right now. I'm already exhausted. Then you have cover letters, resignation letters. This is the only application where they also facilitate you with resignation letters. So you can unlock this for free at premium, and you can write amazing resignation letters. I never thought a portal that is for jobs will give you this facility, and I think other portals should be giving that facility. Cover letter, websites, resumes, and job interview question generator. Mm. So it says drop your text file. Job interview. If your resume does not get imported correctly, try uploading in a different file format. Okay. So what it says, generate interview questions. Generate interview questions. People for. So can you walk me through your career? This is what is called the amazing thing. Why I'm saying you? Because I've tested out so many tools. Okay, the one great tool is where it will ask me questions based on the JD and my resume, and then it will ask me a question. It will give me a score. This tool actually suggests me कि based on your resume or based on the document which I upload, I can upload my resume or I can upload a JD. The tool will ask me a question. It will also give me the answers, and based on my resume and my JD, it will give me answer. What motivated to start an industry debate series? The motivation behind starting Capsule was to create a platform for prominent members in pharmaceutical business to discuss and debate ways to improve engagement with healthcare providers. With a monthly thought leadership venue like Capsule, we aim to bring industry leaders together to share insights and strategies, fostering a collaborative environment within the pharmaceutical sector. Then everything goes for a paid one. I mean, this really is helpful for me. I never thought about this, but this can change a lot. Ha. Now, let us go back to our dashboard part. Then we have resignation is paid website. So, what is a website thingy? New website. So you can create a website. So this is my website, resume website. I can use a design. These are premium themes. Mm, mhm. This they have so many things, man. The students. So what they have for students? Free resume builder for all students. That's amazing. For all students, 180 days it's free. Then let's check out other services. So they have resume builder, cover letter builder, resume website builder, LinkedIn resume builder, AI resume builder, AI resignation letter generator, AI resume rewriter. Oh, resume checker, interview questions, online AI career coach. Coming soon is also a tab. Kick HR. What is the thing with Kick HR? Bury the resume pile and explain the future of AI powered hiring. It is for hirers actually, hiring people. Okay. Then you have mobile app, then help center resume examples, cover letter examples, beyond remote work guide, our community. What is our community? It's a Facebook group that they have. Articles and reports, how to create a resume on an iPhone, 10 best resume builders, 5 best AI resume builders, and then contact us, media press. It's a Trustpilot, they have 4.5 star rating, App Store 4.6, Google 4.7. It's got remote jobs that fit you. As a tool, out of all the tools that I've checked, I think if you have to pay 330 bucks or 600 bucks per month is not a big deal. You get resume, you get interview, you get to use resume builder, cover letter builder, resume builder website if you want, LinkedIn resume builder. You have everything at one single place. And this tool is pretty interesting. The only thing is you have to manually apply. You cannot use any other tool. Perks and benefits. So 10%. So if you are a member, you get all these benefits connected. I think these are international benefits. May not be relevant over here. Now we will move to another tool. Now we are checking why now this is the last tool of the day, that AI tool. The domain is perfect. It is my perfect resume. But everything is on the application, it's like they have copy pasted kick resume. I'll just show you. Literally, like they have literally checked each and every build my resume today. So builders, career, member login. So let me log in. It's logging in, and each and I'll show you like the way you create a resume, the way you create the cover letter, the way you do whatever you do or kick resume, everything has been copied by Perfect Resume. The only thing they might not have copied is the domain name and the color scheme. Otherwise, there's not a single thing that they have left over here. Huh. So your recommended next steps, recommend jobs to create. So you have finalized, share this. One is your resume. So there's this resume over here. Mm, and then go to dashboard. The dashboard I have resumes, cover letters, job search, career center, build profile. Somehow it's not loading. See, improve your resume check. So analyzing your resume. I haven't uploaded. Why it is analyzing my resume? I don't understand. Does it happen with you also? I really don't know why people create such a website which takes ages to load. See, frankly, this is not recommended, but still, I'll show you why I'm not recommending you. This tool is taking ages, man. Get your profile, get a bold profile. What does this get a bold profile do? It's just loading and loading and loading. Not at all a beneficial tool to be. I think we are. I think we are off of time. Let's not go for my perfect resume. It's better you go for kick resume, you go for enhanced CV, and you go for hiration. Hiration will give you reviews of your website, and my CV, enhanced CV can help you to practice, but it's pretty costly. It's like it will take you back by say $399 per for per quarter. It's too costly. It it is better that you go for Kick Resume, which is say $600 for per month. For 3 months package, you take it, and in 3 months you can create a lot of resumes, cover letters, practice your interviews, understand what works, create a LinkedIn profile that matches everything. It solves your purpose. In your journey, I am Moses Gomes, your LinkedIn coach and career coach. And in the job journey, I know how difficult it is to find that into. You might be applying to 100 and 200 odd resumes, but getting that interview and getting acing that interview is very critical. You might pass all the interview rounds, but the place that you stuck is where the salary negotiations will happen. And this is where you need to write down whatever all the questions that you have as a part of interview, and write down the answers and practice it. That is what is going to help. Thanks for joining in today and for our session on using AI tools for your resume. Next we'll again meet for some more new tools. Thanks. Bye.